beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing amazing. Happy Saturday. So this is the last day of work of the week here in my rebuild for my house. Anyway, I know that I have mentioned to you guys that since this is a package labor, food like lunch and snacks is not really included. But today I decided that I want to treat the workers because this is their last day of work for this week, and so I have decided to give them a seafood boodle fight for lunch because we actually still don't have electricity, so we don't have refrigerator. I asked my mom to grab a few items from the city, and then I asked her to put it in this ice bucket. If you guys do not know, boodle fight is a traditional food feast here in the Philippines wherein people will eat together bare hands. First things first, I have here mangoes. So I decided to have mangoes because I figured mom will have a hard time bringing watermelon here in the countryside because she just got her motorbike, right? So I have here 3 mangoes, and then I have here tomatoes, some onions. Yeah, I'm gonna be using these ones. We have here the ice bucket, and good thing that the ice is still there. Oh my gosh, this is really good. So wait, it's actually drifting. Okay, we can still actually make use of this ice and have some cold drinks later on for them as well. Alright, so first thing is we have here shrimp. So I got 1 kilo of shrimp. It doesn't look like 1 kilo anymore because we cooked a few last night for our dinner. So I'm gonna be cooking garlic buttered shrimp, but because I don't have butter because again it's gonna melt once it arrives here, so we just got margarine, so it is a cheaper version of butter. Aside from that, I have here squid as well, and this is 1 kilo, and we are going to grill this one outside. We're gonna stuff some tomatoes, some onion inside so that it will smell good. It's been a while that I have not eaten squid actually. Lastly, I also decided to get some fish. So I was wanting to get tilapia because I really like that fish. Unfortunately, there's none in the market, so I asked mom to just get me bangos. So here it is. We have 2 bangos. This is 1 kilo, and I'm just gonna be pretty much frying this one. Those are the food that I'm going to prepare for them today. We're also gonna be cooking some rice, of course. It's very important. And oh, one more thing, I also grabbed this sea grapes. You guys know this is one of my favorites. Good thing that they're still alive and kicking. I think this is still good because normally you have to consume it as soon as you got it. Mom got this last night, and I figured it can still survive until tomorrow, and some of it are still good. So we're gonna put this in our boodle fight presentation. I'm super excited for it today. Anyway, let's go ahead and start cooking. gonna start to cook the shrimp now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but there is a generator in the background. There's some banging, a grinder, a welding. Yeah, there's a lot of noise going on. But anyway, so I have here the shrimp. I have here my garlic, and I don't know where's my margarine. We're gonna be using margarine. There's my margarine, and then I'm just gonna pretty much soak the shrimp with Sprite. Okay, so I'm just gonna soak it like that. I should start cooking my garlic margarine shrimp. Everyone, it's so noisy here. Okay. Alright, anyway, I have finished cooking all of the food that we're gonna be preparing for their lunch. So first, I have here the shrimp. Ta-da! It looks yummy. We have here the sea grapes. We've already cleaned it. And then here I have the bangos. I know I have mentioned earlier that I'm going to fry it, but I figured I don't have oil, so I just decided to have it grilled, and this is how it looks. I mean, it smells so good. And then I have here the squid. So all of the dishes are good. I'm just cooking rice right now. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna cut these mangoes. I asked Papa to grab banana leaves so that we can already prepare it. I don't know what time is it right now. I think it is already 9:30. I mean, we are actually pretty early for lunch, right? But I just want to make sure that everything has been done so that I don't need to think about it, like, you know, hurry, because I don't know what time do they actually like take their lunch. Sometimes they take lunch at 12, sometimes 11:30, sometimes 11. So I don't know. I just want to make sure that once they get hungry, they can already eat. So there's 6 of them that is working today, and the main builder told me that they're gonna go on a half day, and I don't mind, because normally if this is a package labor, they're gonna work on their own time, on their own day. But yeah, he did mention that to me, and I said okay, no problem. Anyway, okay, we're gonna cut this sweet mango. Smells so good. Look at that, the juice is out. Ta-da! Alright guys, so they're now eating our boodle fight for everyone. There they are. There's 6 of them. Then we have the drinks over there. Ta-da! Alright people, it's time for me to have my lunch as well. So they're currently outside, they're eating, having their lunch. Our mini boodle fight for them was a success. So that's good. They said it tastes good. Okay, so I'm gonna have my lunch here as well. So I have shrimp from earlier. I have 1 squid, I have fish, and of course sea grapes. I have here my sauce, and of course mango. There you go. Right, everyone, bon appetit. Let's eat. Actually, because it's Saturday today, I need to give some labor costs to the main builder because he has to give some money to his workers. So, ta-da.